Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create events on Google Calendar step by step. So whether you're an admin assistant, a student, or someone trying to, stay organized, this guide is for you. Let's get started.
Dealing with Google Calendar. Just open the Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com. Create button on the top left of the screen. Enter an event title, admin class. Admin. Then set the date and time for the event. Saturday, 6 o'clock to 8 p.m. An event that you repeat weekly, daily, or an event you want to customize, right? You could say that you want to customize your event and say repeat every week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And does it end? Never. On. Probably it ends on the February 1st or January 31st, right? After how many occurrences, it depends on you. Your guests are, as you can see, these are my participants. I've added my guest. After you've added your guest, if this does not appear on your own end, cancel. Then you can click on add Google Meet video conferencing. Then you copy the link. You can share this link to anyone and they will conveniently join any meeting you invite them to. Or if the meeting is going to be on Zoom, cancel this and paste the Zoom link, your Zoom link right here. The same way we're going to paste the Google Meet link. You can paste your Google link here. Then for the description and attachment, you could decide that you want to play a meeting agenda from your drive. Once you click on this, it will take you to your Google Drive and you can pick anything you want to. It could be an invitation, it could be the meeting agenda. So once you click on this, add a Google Drive attachment, it's going to take you to your drive. Or if it's something that really does not need an attachment or a document, you could just add a description here, meeting agenda. But because this is a lecture, you could just say lecture topics. Anything of your choice, you can add it. Now you can color code your calendar. It depends on you. Color codes are used to visually distinguish between meetings, deadlines, and personal tasks. Color code your meeting and say it could be anything. Purple. Then busy. Default visibility. Enable desktop notification to remind you of upcoming events. You could say, I want it to remind me 1 hour before the meeting. Add another notification that you want it to remind you 30 minutes before the meeting, before the lectures. You're done. Save your calendar. Do you want to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? Send. I would love to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests. So I'll click on send and voila. That's all. That's already appeared here. 6 p.m. administrative lecture and Saturdays too. I set it to be on Saturdays and Tuesdays. You can see it has appeared here. It wasn't here before. If you want to delete a task, I intentionally set up this. If you want to delete something from your calendar, click on one of this and click on delete. Do you want to delete this task? Do you want to delete this and following tasks? Do you want to delete all tasks that has to do with call so and so person? I'll click on OK. I want to delete. You can see everything has disappeared. So that's how to also delete an event on your calendar. Same thing you do when you want to create a task, appointment schedule. That's what you do. You follow the same step to create a calendar.
I hope this helped you understand how to use Google Calendar better. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. So more productivity tips are coming your way. Don't miss out.